Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm very happy, like this is my first video I'm going to upload in YouTube. It's my first vlogging chapter. I'm stepping on to this YouTube vlogging. Like currently I'm learning with the Adobe Photoshop. I'm learning with the different tools and layouts with the Adobe Photoshop. So eventually I designed a simple Facebook social media post. So I thought, why don't I give these things? Why don't I um, make a video on this one to those who are struggling with the design or those who are looking for a simple design. So let's do that, and I will show you how to design or how to play around with the tools. So keep watching. So let's start. Let's go to the Adobe Photoshop, and then we'll go to, so this is the user interface of the Adobe Photoshop. So for creating new documents, like just click create new document, and then once it load up, you can see like so many default presets in here, which is recent that I'm been using. You can see photos, like photo landscape sizes, landscape in font size presets. You can go to print, and then you will find different. For mobiles, you can find iPhone X presets, iPhone 8, 7, 6, everything, etc. So as we are going to design for Facebook, the most optimal size for Facebook is 1200 into 630. So this is how it is, and it is in pixel, as I already said, it's in pixel. So let it be all this, everything will be default. Let's go to company by showcasing their new denim jacket. So I do have a pre-stock photo. I'm working on that one. Just drag that one into the Photoshop space, okay, and then let this open. Let me give you a suggestion. Always keep on working with the new layers. Whatever modifications you are doing, work on with the new layer so that it will be easily to rectify things. Okay. So once you done that one, just press and drag it along to the corner side. If you press shift and hold the right, I mean the left of the mouse to the here, you can drag it along within the workspace. So we'll drag around here and then move it up to this side, okay, and then once we add to the new layer, press view, new guide. This is nothing but gives you a vertical or a horizontal line which will divide the photo or the workspace. So right now I'm taking 25% of vertical line which will divide the photo of 25% around along, okay, and I'm also setting up another guide of 15%. This is something which gives you around, like, just keep working on this one, you will get easily. So just press that one, just drag it along how much space you want, okay, drag it along how much space you want, run play with this one, okay, and then we'll drag it once more accordingly, okay, let it be here, and then on new layer we'll press alt, and then if you press alt and then click the left of the mouse, you will get the copy, the duplicate of the content of the photo. Just place it over here, place it over here, keep dragging, press shift and hold it along inside the line, align correctly. Yes, okay, okay. So as you can see, we have got two different aspect or two different perspective of a same photo or same design. Now we are working on with the single layouts. For example, go to selection tool, ellipse selection tool. Just work on, go to ellipse selection tool. Select one side of the vertical view, and then go to this solid color, and then keep changing around this one. So right now I'm working with the color for 0. Okay, that's okay. Now I'm just selecting another layer, another part of this view, and then giving it as, I mean, always I told you, I'm sorry, I'm just always working with the new layer. Just give it on another solid color. Just give it this color. Yeah, it will be fine. Okay, just okay. And then go to this one. If you can see, if you select this layer, I mean this yellow layer, just click on normal or whatever things. See, if you see normal, if you go to dissolve, if you go to darken, if you go to multiply, it will change around. Just keep working on these things so you will get that idea. So I'm going to choose multiply for both the layers so that the background will be slightly seen around. It will be like this. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So the next thing, I'm going to work on this section of the design. Let me edit that part. Okay, let me edit that things. Just go to the color lookup. Just go to the, I mean, just select the layer. Just go to color lookup. Here, if you can see 3D LED file, you can just load so many things. You just play around these things. Just select. I'm selecting two strip, and then you can see different brightness or contrast, whatever things on here. So I'm just increasing the brightness, I mean decreasing the brightness a little bit. Okay, and the vibrance also just around 49. Okay, it'll be fine, no problem. Now the next video will be, I mean the next layer will be, select this layer, align it properly. Okay, align it properly. So I'm aligning these according to the, okay, making these footballs in a proper way. So it will be look good enough. Okay. Now just go to that exposure and just work. I'm sorry, I selected another layer. Just click this layer and go to this exposure. I'm deleting that one. Go to brightness. Just decrease the power. Okay. Whatever suitable for, let it be okay. Fine. Now, if you want to add any text, just drag it along, place it somewhere, and then my system is actually a little bit slow, so that these things are not working around. So let me delete this layer. I don't want that one. Go to the other option. Okay, we'll change that one too. Okay, delete that one. So this is the caption I'm giving for. So the style or the font I'm using is copper plate gothic bold. You can go to this text section around here. You can play around. The size I'm using is 24.9 and it is in regular. The color is in black. You can change around the color, whatever color you want. Okay, so I'm making it a little bit bold and at the same time italic, so it will look good. Select, just select that layer, just press Ctrl and then drag it wherever you want. Okay, I'm placing around here. should look good. Okay, so this is my video. This is a simple Facebook, the social media design. You can post it and for you can play around these things so that you will get to know. And also, I'm a beginner into this. If there is so many if there will be mistake, pardon me. Just keep on learning things. So yeah, keep watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.